Look at this sea. It is as infinite as time itself. The Roman emperor and philosopher Marcus Aurelius often reflected on how fleeting a human life is compared to the vastness of nature. He called our existence a mere point in the infinity of time. We spend so much energy worrying about the future and regretting the past, forgetting that the only moment we truly possess is now, right here on this shore, under the sound of these waves. Your life isn't happening yesterday or tomorrow. It is happening at this very moment. Everything else has either already vanished or has yet to arrive, and it does not belong to you. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Your happiness depends on the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius taught that we have power over our minds, but not over external events. You cannot command the sea to be calm. You cannot force people to act exactly as you wish, but you can choose how to respond to it all. If you decide that you have not been harmed, then the harm itself disappears. You are your own inner citadel. No storm from the outside can destroy the peace within, unless you choose to open the gates of your fortress yourself. The people around you will be different. There will be those who are ungrateful, aggressive, or dishonest. But Marcus Aurelius reminds us, they act this way because they do not know the difference between good and evil. Do not let their ignorance rob you of your peace. When you encounter a difficult person, remember this sea. A wave can be sharp and cold, but it is a part of nature. Your task is not to argue with the wave, but to maintain your own stability. Be like rocky headlands that the waves constantly break against. It stands immovable, and eventually the fury of the water around it sinks to rest. Everything in the universe happens as it should. We are parts of one vast organism, just as every drop is a part of this ocean. To live in harmony with nature means to accept change without bitterness. Death, illness, loss, all of these are as natural as the ebb and flow of the tide. We cannot stop the tide from going out, but we can learn to admire what it reveals on the seabed. When you accept the world as it is, you stop being its victim and become an intentional part of the whole. Waste no more time debating what a good man should be. Be one. Do not wait for a special occasion to begin living wisely. Every morning when you wake up, tell yourself, "Today I will meet the world with gratitude. I have the opportunity to breathe, to think, and to enjoy this horizon." Death could take us at any moment. Let this thought not frighten you, but make your presence here more vivid. Infuse every action with meaning, as if it were the last thing you do in your life. Look at the horizon once more. Where the sky meets the water, there are no boundaries. Your mind can be just as clear and boundless. Leave your worries here on the sand. Let the water carry them away. Remember, your value is not in what others think of you, nor in what you own. Your value is in your ability to maintain your humanity and the peace of your heart. Breathe with the ocean. Be here. Be now. Be free.